In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for bug tracking and issue management. Let's dive into the practical steps that will transform how you handle bugs and issues on your projects. First, let's create a dedicated board. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace. You'll want to look for the plus add button, and when you find it, select New Board. Now think of a suitable name for your board, like Bug Tracker or Issue Management. This will make it easy to identify later. You have the option to start from scratch, or if you'd like to save some time, you can use a template. Just head over to the Templates Center and search for bug tracking. When you find a template that suits your needs, click Use Template to get started with preset columns for status, priority, and assignment. Next, you'll need to set up your columns, as they will define what data each bug entry, known in Monday.com as an item, will contain. Remember, visual clarity is crucial, so utilize color-coded status and priority labels for ease of tracking at a glance. Now to log a bug, click on plus new item. Be sure to provide a short, clear title, like login page not loading. You'll also want to add more context in the details column, attach any evidence, such as screenshots, and assign an owner to each bug, ensuring the responsible person or team is notified. If you'd like to import existing data, you can easily do this from a tool like Excel or Jira. To keep your board organized, create groups. These help in categorizing issues by stage, project, or sprint. Typical examples include new reports, in progress, resolved, and closed. Adding a group is simple. Just click plus add group and name it accordingly. Automating your workflow can vastly improve productivity. Head over to automations to explore helpful recipes. You might set an automation to move items to a resolved group when their status changes to resolved, or assign new bugs to a QA lead immediately upon creation. Other useful automations include notifying a developer when a critical priority is set and sending reminders when a due date arrives for an unresolved bug. To enhance your bug tracking capabilities, integrate your board with other tools. This could mean syncing issues with Jira for your dev team, tracking alongside GitHub commits, or setting up automatic alerts through Slack or email. To do this, visit Integrations, choose your app, and follow the prompts. For ongoing tracking and accountability, make use of dashboards or reports to monitor open versus closed bugs, see them by priority, and measure resolution times. Add a dashboard by clicking plus add dashboard and select widgets like the battery or chart widget for a comprehensive overview. Finally, when a bug is fixed and verified, update its status to closed and move it to a resolved or archive group. You might also automate this archival process for bugs after they've been closed for a certain period. By following these steps, you'll establish an effective bug tracking and issue management system using Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try these techniques to enhance your project workflows.